Good afternoon, children. Standard 9th, Subject History, Changing Life, Part 2. In our previous lecture, we have studied about the languages and the dialects. We have also studied about the English language, sports, Asia and the Olympics games, and theatre and the films. Yes, children, we have seen the point of theatre and film, half of the point, and now we are going to proceed towards the further one. Okay, children, so let us come on. I have given you a short summary what we have studied it. Now let us proceed on towards our next lessons. Okay, so everyone of you all pay attention over here at the point of theatre and film, page number 53, passage second. Okay, the age of black and white movies has been succeeded by the age of the colored movies. In the field of the entertainment, the place of Hindi movies is incomparable. Now movies reflect contemporary themes. Film shooting, locals have moved abroad. So viewers can now see many different places in the foreign countries. Movies in the foreign languages are now translated during the screening of the English movies. A short Hindi translation now appears on the screen as the subtitles. Hindi movies now compete with the global movies as they have reached every nooks and the corner of the world. We see a reflections of the politics, social events, industries and the technologies in the movies. Movies which were 3 to 4 hours long are now of only 1 or 1.5 hours. Moreover, the concepts of one screen and one cinema hall has given way to the multiplex. The days of the movie running for the 100 weeks in one cinema hall are over now. One movie runs in the thousands of cinema hall in India and abroad simultaneously. This development has of movies has attained the status of the industry. The industry now employ crores of people. The movie industries in the regional language is also thriving. Okay, children, this is what I have read it all about the theatre and the films. Okay, children, we have seen in the starting paragraph that theatre and films are one of the important aspects of the Indian life. Okay, so what is said over here in the black and the white. Okay, children, the black and there are the white movies which are replaced by the color movies. Okay, so what happens, these movies get reflect contemporarily themes, and then many of the movies are now shot at the foreign locations also. Okay, so what happened, children, here there are the Hindi movies. These Hindi movies are compete with the global movies, and then just because of this compete with the global movies, what happened, many movies are translated into the foreign languages. Okay, and then English movies, these movies get translation in the Hindi, and then Hindi appears on the screen as the subtitles. Okay, so only the duration of the movie has reduced for 3 to 4 hours to the 1 or 1.5 hours. Okay, children, and then this is what we have seen. Then there was one more thing, that is the concepts of one screen and one cinema hall has given the way to the multiplex. Okay, children, it has given the many ways to the multiplex. So the days of the movies running for 100 weeks in one cinema hall are over, and now one movie runs in thousands of cinema hall in India and abroad simultaneously. So what happens over here, as they are changing it here, the production of movie, it has attained the status of the industry, and this industry now is the employ crores of people. So the movie industry is said to be as the regional language is also thriving. Okay, children, this is what it has said it over here. Okay, now let us proceed towards the next point, that is the newspaper. What is newspaper? The changing lifestyle has had its effects on the newspapers and other mass media, and they in turn have influenced the individual as well as the community life. During the early post-independence period, newspaper had multiple objectives in this period. The newspapers were expected to not only give the news of daily events but also give the impetus to the industry and the commerce of printing the advertisements. Newspapers shapes the public opinion, direct it towards the constructive works at times, lead the latter Lead the writer, carry on the task of the public educations, keep a watch over the government machineries. Earlier, newspapers were black and white. With the changing times, color printing becomes common. Earlier, newspapers were thought to be the mouthpiece of the taluka or the district. Now they have to face the tough competitions from the state level newspaper chains, but on the whole, newspaper are now becoming more active. Their scope has enlarged to the include raising funds of the drought affected and floods affected the people, helping the meritorious students from lower income groups to go for the higher education, and organizing or sponsoring the cultural programs. This is how newspapers have now become an inseparable part of our lives. Okay, children? We have read it all about the newspapers. Okay, so now every one of you are just pay attention over here. What am I explaining it to you all? Okay, so here the newspapers. Okay, children, our next topic is what in changing life too, that is the newspaper. This newspaper is changing the lifestyle. Why lifestyle? Because the newspaper has affected the individuals and community as a whole. So here, after the independence, there was a newspaper. The newspaper was not only gave the news, but it also gave the inputs of the industries and the commerce field. And then what is the objective? Okay, children, for these things there are the objectives of the newspaper to shape the public opinion. Okay, the first objective. Then the second one is what? To direct it towards the constructive work. Third one, at times lead the later, to carry on the task of the public educations and to keep a watch over the government. Okay, so because of this, newspapers were earlier the mouthpiece of the taluka or the district, and then they faced the competitions from the state level newspaper chains, and then because of this chain, their scope has enlarged to raising funds for the drought and the flood affect the peoples. So because of this, helping the meritorious students from lower income group to go to the higher education, and organization or sponsoring the cultural programs. Okay, children, did you all understood? So now let us proceed on towards the next point, that is the last point of this chapter. It is said as the televisions. How the televisions? Let us read it over here. Television comes to the India during the post-independence period. Earlier, it was the black and white, now it is colored. Earlier, it was limited to the some selected program and fixed the time slot. Gradually, its scopes was enlarged to include the educational programs. So, news bulletin, detailed reporting of the tours of the president and the prime minister. During the telecast of the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, a majority of the people used to sit the glued of the television set. These serials proved the popularities of this medium. Then in 1991, CNN, that is the channel, showed the entire world a live visual reporting of the Iraq war. At this stage, the world of the Indian news channels changed completely in the 1998. Star, that is the satellite television Asia regions. A private media house entered the India, an uninteresting, monotonous, and the propagandist news telecast of the early period underwent a sea change. The language of the techniques of the presentation, studios equipped with the latest technologies, and the use of OB, that is the outdoor broadcasting vans, have expanded the scope of India. TV channels still further and brought in the transparency and variety. Now every nook and the corners of the country is connected. This has had a great impact on the politics. In short, the whole country started changing. So far, we have studied the history of the modern India. Next year, we will study how to make use of his subjects in the practical world. We shall see how history can be a part of the daily life, not just a thing of the past. Okay, children, see how the television is also one of the changing life. Now here, television comes to the India during the post independence period. Okay, children, this television has come to India during the post independence period. But there was what earlier it was the black and white, and now it is the color. Why? Because earlier it was limited to some selected programs and fixed time slot. So what happened after that? The scope was enlarged and include the educational programs and the news bulletins. Like Ramayana, Mahabharata serials were very popular at those times. Then the channels like CNN channel telecast to leave the coverage of the Iraq war in the year 1991. So the Star, that is the Star Satellite Television Asia region is one of the private media house which was entered in India in the year 1998. Okay, children, and then after that the languages, the techniques of the presentation, studios equipped with the latest technology and the use of OB, that is the outdoor broadcasting vans, have expanded the scope of India TV. They have brought a transparency and the variety. So this TV has great impact on the politics as it has connected to the entire country. Okay, children. So I hope every one of you all must have understood what we have studied in this chapter. Now I would just like you to tell you the all significant events which has taken in the year place. I would like to tell you from the starting till the end. Like in the first one, 1983, there was India won the Cricket World Cup in the year 1983. Then in the year 1985, India won the Benson and the Hedges World Championship of the Cricket. In the year 1991, live telecast of Iraq War by the CNN. Then in the year 1998, there was a Star TV channel started in the India. And in 2000, there is the Karnam Malleshwari bronze medal at the Sydney Olympics in the weightlifting. Okay, children, this is only what the events of the changing life part 2. I have given a short summary of it. I hope every one of you all must have understood it. Thank you.